The federal government is slowly getting back to normal after the longest shutdown in U.S. history officially comes to an end. Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem marked the reopening by giving out $10,000 bonuses to TSA employees in Houston who continue to work while not getting paid. It's not yet entirely clear where that money for these checks is coming from. Federal workers from the Departments of Justice, State and Human and Health Services, Interior, and Housing and Urban Development were all ordered back on the job today. It was a quick turnaround for them as President Trump signed the House-passed bill into law after 10 p.m. Eastern last night. NBC News senior national political reporter Sahil Kapur is on Capitol Hill. So, Sahil, a lot here to start. The government was last funded on September 30th. So now that this shutdown is over, when could we start seeing the impacts be alleviated?
Well, Zinclair, the return to normal posture begins today. As you mentioned, federal workers are ordered to be back on the job, to work normal hours today after President Trump signed the bill into law last night. We expect them to be paid quite soon. They don't have to wait for their next pay period because under the law, agencies are required to pay furloughed and accepted workers immediately. Take a look at this calendar for when the impacts get alleviated. As of today, flight reductions remain at 6% for the busiest airports, although that number is going to whittle down, and in the coming days, things should be back up with the airlines and the airports. November 15th is when we expect some federal workers to get paid, just a couple of days, including that back pay, and November 17th, the National Zoo and the Smithsonian museums, which have been shuttered, will reopen. So it depends on which issue, it depends on which program, but suffice it to say, things are moving.
And Sahil, more than 40 million Americans lost access to their full SNAP benefits for the first part of November. Is it clear when funding for that specific food assistance will return to normal levels?
It's messy, Zinclair, because this is a program that's run jointly by the Department of Agriculture and by states. The Department of Ag has suggested that funding will be restored within 24 hours. But with the states, some of them whittled down benefits. Some of them cut off SNAP benefits entirely during the shutdown. Some of them kept it going. So you've got a number of different gears that have to move for this to be fully back up and running. All told, we expect it could take as long as a week for full SNAP benefits to be handed out in places where they were cut off.
Yeah, and Sahil, at the heart of so much of this, Affordable Care Act subsidies. You have new reporting on how Republicans are now approaching health care. What should we know there?
Yeah, this was the issue that caused the shutdown after Democrats held out and insisted that this pot of about $35 billion a year of ACA funds should be extended. If it does expire, it will lead to premium hikes for about 22 million Americans, in some cases double digits. In some cases, their premiums will double and triple. What we do know is that 15 years after the ACA passed, Republicans are still deeply dug in against the law. We learned that over the course of the shutdown, and they have begun to craft alternatives, a plan of their own, because many of them want this ACA funding to expire entirely. So what are they going to do to replace the coverage? What are they going to do to help the people who are going to see their costs spike? We've heard, let's say, concepts of a plan from various Republicans. There's no legislative product. There's no consensus in the party yet, but they are talking about things like expanding funding for flexible savings accounts, for health savings accounts, for association health plans. The crux of it is they want to deregulate the insurance market to allow people to get low-cost plans. The flip side of that is it could lead to the sickest people and people with the lowest incomes ending up having to pay more, Zinclair.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.